Hi guys! Ngayon, susubukan naman natin alamin kung bakit nga ba negative cosecant squared x ang derivative ng cotangent x. May mga fundamental equation and theorems lang tayo na gagamitin in order na mahanap natin yung differentiation ng cotangent x. So, let's start! May the definition f prime of x, o yung tinatawag na first principle of derivative, is equal down to the limit as h approaches 0 of function x plus h, or diretso na cotangent x plus h minus the initial function cotangent x all over h. Next, limit as h approaches 0. Ano nga ba ang value ng cotangent x plus h? So sabi sa sum of two angles ng cotangent x plus h is equal to the second angle muna multiply to the first angle minus 1 all over that the quantity cotangent yung second angle, which is h, plus cotangent to first angle. Okay, yun, yan po yung value na isa-substitute natin dito para mahanap natin yung derivative. Cotangent h, cotangent x minus 1 all over cotangent h plus cotangent x. Itong quantity na to subtracted to cotangent x all over h. Yun. Sunod naman natin gagawin is mumultiply natin yung denominator dito, itong quantity na to dito, then yung product neto isi-subtract natin dito. Okay? Kasi negative. Copy cotangent h, cotangent x minus 1 minus diretso negative cotangent x times cotangent h is negative cotangent x cotangent h, and negative cotangent x times positive cotangent x is negative cotangent squared x. Yun. All over that, itong nasa pangalawa, cotangent h plus cotangent x. Yun, diretso na natin. Ito, pag minultiply natin to, ayan, pag minultiply natin ito, itong quantity na to, at dito sa h, ang kakalabasan niya, para masimplify natin yung fraction, magiging ganito na siya, multiplied sa h. Okay? So ito, pag minultiply natin, divide out na siya. Then ito, mamumultiply siya dito sa h. Okay? Sunod, f prime of x is equal to the limit as h approaches 0. So by combining like terms, as you notice, si cotangent h, cotangent x, at ito, they are similar, but the sign is negative. So masusubtract silang dalawa, wala na sila. So leaving behind negative 1 minus cotangent squared x all over h times quantity cotangent h plus cotangent x. Yun. Kung mapapansin nyo, pwede natin i-factor out yung negative dito sa numerator para makuha natin yung trigonometric identity ng cosecant squared x. Ayan. Copy. So, ilabas natin yung negative. Negative divide sa negative. Negative 1 divide sa negative is positive 1. Then, negative cotangent squared x divide sa negative 1 is positive cotangent squared x. And, diretso, by distribute sa dalawang term, h times cotangent h plus h times cotangent x. Ngayon, ano ba ang 1 plus cotangent squared x? Sabi daw sa Pythagorean identity of trigonometric identity po, sinasabi na ang 1 plus cotangent squared x is equal to cosecant squared x. Yun. So, pwede natin sabihin na ito ay equal dito. Okay? So, sulat natin. Ibig sabihin, negative cosecant squared x na siya. Negative cosecant squared x. All over h times cotangent h plus h cotangent x. So, ibig sabihin, ang goal natin, kung alam natin na negative cosecant squared x ang derivative ng cotangent x, ang goal natin, mapa-equal tong nasa denominator na 1. Okay? So, paano natin yung gagawin? So, ito muna. Think of this. Limit as h approaches 0 of h cotangent h. Ano po ba ang value niya? So, by breaking out the pieces po, h times cosine h all over sine h. Okay? Then, by using L'Hopital rule, pwede natin i-derivative ang numerator and denominator. So, we make a space for that. Ayan. So, by using product rule sa derivative, we let h muna. Then, ano ba yung derivative ng cosine h? Is negative sine h plus cosine naman. Ano ba yung derivative ng h? Is just 1. Okay? Then, all over, ano ba yung derivative ng sine? Is positive cosine. Cosine h. Yan. Sulat natin yung limit. So, ano ba yung next step natin? Ngayon na wala na yung h sa baba, pwede na natin siyang i-substitute lahat. Ang 0, i-substitute natin lahat sa h. Evaluating 0 times negative sine of 0 plus cosine 0 all over cosine 0. Okay. 0 times negative sine 0 is just 0. So, wala na to. So, cosine 0 daw is equal to 1. And cosine 0 sa ibaba is 1. Sabi, 1 over 1 or just 1. Ibig sabihin, ang limit as h approaches 0 of h cotangent h is equal to 1. So, balik tayo dito. Ibig sabihin, itong quantity na to, equal na siya sa 1. At kapag sinubstitute natin ang 0 dito, 0 times cotangent x is equal to 0 lang naman. So, 0 na to. And 1 plus 0 is 1. Negative cosecant squared x over 1 is just negative cosecant squared x. Ganun ang pag-prove ng derivative ng cotangent x. Negative cosecant squared x po ang derivative ng cotangent x.